Yep, rules are with the sewing machine, we've got to be careful because it's a machine with a needle. So we have to be careful of our fingers. Your hand in the machine, like this, it's going to sew and prick you, and it's going to cause a lot of bleeding. So we don't want to touch this part of the machine. Only.
I'm going to get hurt.
Yes, you would get hurt.
Yeah.
Now, the other thing to remember is you don't want to sew these two pieces of fabric together. Yeah. Otherwise, it would just be a closed-ended top, and that defeats the purpose of the top.
Yeah.
You want to make sure that you've only got this fabric underneath. We don't want to touch our pins because they can hurt us. So you're just going to watch me do it.
Yeah.
So, just going to make sure that our fabric is lined up and we will be ready to sew. So I'm going to control the foot. And we're going to So we have to be careful of our fingers. That's called a straight stitch. Now what we're going to, do you see this edge here? It's going to be applied to this fabric here, the back fabric. We're going to go in a straight line and along the edge. Now you're just going to help and watch me. This is called the footer. That's our needle there. Now So now we're going to put our footer down. And you see this edge? So I've got my foot pedal down here. I've got my bar that controls the machine. Now our hands are going to be here because we're going to guide the fabric through the machine. The machine to take the pin out. Now we're going to go again.
I'm going faster. Going faster.
It's going very fast. You don't want to put your hands in this.